Get ready for dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Start. Honorable Speaker, Sir, under inclusive development for aspirational India, I will cover agriculture and allied sectors, farmers, welfare, and rural India, migrant workers and labor and financial inclusion. Our government is committed to the welfare of farmers. The MSP regime has undergone a sea change to assure price that is at least 1.5 times the cost of production across all commodities. The procurement has also continued to increase at a steady pace. This has resulted in increase in payment to farmers substantially. In case of wheat, the total amount paid to farmers in 2013-14 was rupees 33,000 crores. In 2019-2020, it was rupees 62,000 crores. And even better, in 2020-2021, this amount paid to farmers was rupees 75,000 crores. The number of wheat growing farmers that were benefited increased in 2020-21 to 43.36 lakhs as compared to 35.57 lakhs in 2019-20. For paddy, the amount paid in 2013-14 was rupees 63,000 crores. In 2019-2020, this increased to rupees 1 lakh 41,000 crores. Even better, in 2020-2021, this is further estimated to increase to rupees 1 lakh 72,000 crores. The number of farmers benefited increased from 1.24 crores in 2019-20 to 1.54 crores in 2020-21. Early this year, Honorable Prime Minister had launched Swamitwa scheme. Under this, a record of rights is being given to property owners in villages. Up till now, about 1.80 lakh property owners in 1,241 villages have been provided cards. I now propose during financial year 21-22 to extend this to cover all states and UTs to provide adequate credit to our farmers. I have enhanced the agricultural credit target to rupees 16.5 lakh crores in financial year 2022. We will focus on ensuring increased credit flows to animal husbandry, dairy, and fisheries. We are enhancing the allocation to the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund from rupees 30,000 crores to 40,000 crores. The Micro Irrigation Fund, with a corpus of rupees 5,000 crores, has been created under NABARD. I propose to double it by augmenting it by another rupees 5,000 crores. Stop.